Welcome to my channel English Avenue Story. I'm really happy you are here today. This is a special place for learning English slowly, calmly, and meaningfully. In this lesson, you will not only practice English listening, but you will also receive a powerful motivational message. So relax, take a deep breath, and listen carefully. Try to understand the words, the feelings, and the message behind them. You don't need to rush. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Today's message is very important. It is about life. It is about time. And it is about you. The message is simple, but deep. Don't waste your life. Many people wake up every morning, follow the same routine, and go to bed at night without thinking about why they are living the way they are. Days pass, weeks pass, years pass, and suddenly, life feels empty. This happens because people forget the value of time. Time is the most precious thing you have. Money can be earned again. Things can be replaced. But time never comes back. When you waste time, you are not just wasting minutes or hours. You are wasting a part of your life. Every moment you spend doing nothing meaningful is a moment you can never get back. This is why it is so important to use your time wisely. Now let us talk slowly about your life. Your life is a gift. You were born with potential. You were born with abilities. You were born with dreams, even if you don't remember them now. Inside you, there is something special, but that special thing will remain hidden if you do not work on yourself. Many people say, I will start tomorrow. Tomorrow I will learn English. Tomorrow I will improve my skills. Tomorrow I will change my life. But tomorrow often never comes. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And one day they realize they waited too long. If you are listening to this right now, this moment is your chance. This is your present. This is your opportunity. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time does not exist. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Start now. Learning English is not just about language. It is about confidence. It is about opening new doors. It is about connecting with the world. When you learn English, you give yourself a voice. You give yourself power. You give yourself freedom. Some people think learning English is too difficult. They say, my grammar is weak. My vocabulary is small. My pronunciation is bad. But remember, everyone starts from zero. No one is born speaking English. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. When you make mistakes, you are learning. When you practice, even slowly, you are improving. When you listen every day, even for a few minutes, your brain is changing. Do not compare yourself with others. Comparison steals your joy. Someone else's journey is not your journey. Focus on your own progress. Even small steps matter. Even slow progress is still progress. Let us talk about discipline. Motivation is powerful, but discipline is stronger. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel tired. Discipline means you continue even when you don't feel like it. If you spend just 15 or 20 minutes every day listening to English, reading simple texts, and repeating sentences, your English will improve. Not in one day, not in one week, but slowly, steadily, surely. Life rewards consistency. When you do small good actions every day, they turn into big results over time. Just like drops of water can fill a bucket, small efforts can change your life. Now think about your future self. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. What kind of person do you want to be? Do you want to be confident? Do you want to speak English clearly? Do you want better opportunities? The future you depends on the actions you take today. If you waste your time today, your future will pay the price. But if you invest your time today, your future will thank you. Many people waste their lives on distractions, endless scrolling, useless arguments, negative thoughts, complaints. They complain about life, but they don't change their habits. They blame others, but they don't take responsibility. Taking responsibility is the first step toward growth. When you say, "My life is my responsibility," you become powerful. You stop waiting for others to save you. You stop making excuses. You start taking action. Your past does not define you. Maybe you failed before. Maybe you stopped learning many times. That does not matter. What matters is now. Right now, you can choose again. You can start again. You can improve again. Even if the path is slow, keep walking. Even if the progress is small, keep going. One day, you will look back and thank yourself for not giving up. Thank you for listening patiently. Thank you for choosing to learn. Thank you for choosing growth over comfort. Stay connected with English Avenue Story. And remember, your life is